Where's the magic gone? Where did it run to? Never thought it'd leave, but I'm left with an emptiness. Won't you tell me where the magic's gone? Well, back when I was young, it was all around. Everywhere I looked, it was there. Now I blankly stare, and I wonder where the magic's gone. And is there a reason why it was leaving? Did I stop believing? Or could it be true? Now I just hope that one day it'll come back and make everything new. Ooh. Well, maybe one day soon we'll be together again, and the world will come alive right before my eyes, just like